Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to change volume button function in camera on this device. So first you should go to the camera application, and right there on the right down upper corner tap to the burger menu. Now just go here to the settings and scroll down to the volume button function. Here, as can you see, we got the selected the shutter down, and for example we can just select the to the zoom or to the volume. For example, we'll select the zoom, and now we'll just go back to the camera, and we're just in the photo mode, and we'll just press our up volume button. We'll just zoom our camera to the 10x time, and just by press your down volume button you can zoom out also your photo. So that's how it looks. And if you will want to just turn off again your function or your volume button to the shutter countdown, just simply tap here to this section or to the volume one, and that's all changed. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.